Is the Heatoor heater really worth your money, or is it just another winter gadget scam? Let's break it down so you don't waste a cent this season. First off, the Heatoor portable heater is not a scam. It uses tried-and-true PTC ceramic technology, which means it heats up fast, usually in about a minute or two. If you've got a small to medium room, think bedrooms, a home office, or a dorm, it actually does a solid job. The heat feels instant, and for spaces up to 500 square feet, it's genuinely cozy. But here's the catch. It's not a miracle worker. If you're hoping to heat your entire house, a big living room, or a drafty garage, you'll be disappointed. This is all about zone heating, targeted warmth where you need it, not a full central system replacement. Now, it's not just about heat. I love that it doubles as a fan for warmer months, so you can use it year-round. Plus, there's a digital display, adjustable thermostat, a timer, and even a remote, super convenient for lazy evenings. What about noise? It's impressively quiet, under 45 decibels, so you can binge-watch or work without distractions. Safety-wise, it's got the essentials: overheat protection, tip-over shutoff, and the outside stays cool to the touch. Just remember, the front grille still gets hot, so keep little hands and paws away. Before you buy, here's my honest warning. Be careful with where you order. There's a lot of high-pressure marketing. Think fake countdowns and claims about proprietary tech that's honestly pretty standard. Stick with the official Heatoor website so you're covered by warranty and returns. One last thing. Shipping usually comes from China, so expect longer delivery times, and returns may cost you extra if you're outside the US. So, is the Heatoor heater legit? Absolutely, as long as you know exactly what you're getting. For small rooms and quick warmth, it's a solid pick. But don't fall for the hype.